Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari from the Zoom classes, and today I will tell you about the India physical environment. The going on lesson is structure and physiography. In this lesson we will cover the northwestern Himalayas, means Kashmir Himalaya, and in this topic we will see some important fact, some important things about the northwestern Himalaya. Let's begin. So student, the first I will tell you that there are different type of the part or the division of the Himalayas. Now we will study the northwestern Himalaya, means this Himalaya as you can see in the circle. We will study only this Himalayas and all the important things such as the passes, such as the valleys, such as the highest mountain peaks, such as the rivers, such as many things, such as the cultivation. Many of the things we will study in this topic. So in the first I will tell you that we are going to study about the cold desert. In the first I will tell you what is desert. Desert means a place in the earth where there is not any kind of the support climate, support any kind of the ecosystem for the cultivation, for the vegetation, flora, for the flora, for the fauna. So all these conditions, when they are not available with the regions, so this region when it is not very productive for the crops, so it is known as a desert. And if there is the kind of problems due to the snow falling, so this region is known as a cold desert. So student, hope you understand. Now we will see that the Himalaya, which is very important, we will say natural wall which protect us from the cold winds of the north pole, because north pole cold winds, if the Himalaya was not you will say standing at the north direction, so India obviously become the cold desert. So we are very lucky by the you will say natural wall, as we know it very well that it is a Himalaya. So student, let we begin the lesson. In the first we will see there are different type of the range, such as the Karakoram range, such as the Jashkar range, such as the Great Himalaya range, such as the Pir Panjal range. These ranges are very important, as you can see well. In this range, if you will see that the Karakoram range at the northwest northern part, you will see the highest mountain peak of India. It is K2. That is called the Godwin Austen, and its highest mountain peak height is 8,611 meter. It is the highest mountain peak of India. So student, you have to comment it which is the highest mountain peak of the world. If you know it, you can comment. So, and second mountain peak, which is you will say lies in the western part of India, means it is the most western mountain peak of India. It is the Raka Poshi. The height of the Raka Poshi is 7,788 meter. This is a world first mountains in the world, which is known as the you will say look like the you will say the mountain which have the three sides. So it is only the first mountains in the whole world. And second very important things, the Naga Parvat, you can see well, it is found in the Pir Panjal range. And Naga Parvat, which is the very important mountain peak of India, the height of this mountain peak is the 8,125 meter. So these are the mountain peaks with the which range they lies, I told you also. And second very important things that there are different type of the passes which lies in the different type of the ranges, such as the Fotula Pass. Fotula Pass, which lies in the you will say Jashkar range of the Himalaya. Then Jojila Pass, which lies in the we will say Great Himalayas, and so many other passes such as the Banihal Pass, you can see well in the Pir Panjal range of the Himalaya, and so many other passes such as the Khardungla Pass. Khardungla Pass, which is also lies in the Jashkar range. So these are some important range with the important passes, and passes means the important way which allow the people to move across the one place to another place in the country. Actually, the mountain pass means the natural way that allow the people to move across one area to another area. These are the transforming you will say way for the people. So these are very important information and you should keep in the mind. And very important things that the Bal, Taro and the Siachen, these are the two you will say highest cold point of India, which lies in this range, means Pir Panjal range. And very important things about the you will say northwestern Himalaya, that it is the very northern western part of India, and it is the lies between the Karakoram range and the Great Himalaya range. You can see well in this range where the northwestern part of the Himalaya mostly lies. Now we will see the you will say freshwater lake. These are the Dal Lake and the Vular Lake. Dal Lake and Vular Lake you can find in the Jammu and Kashmir. Then saltwater lake you can see well. These are lakes are found in the you will say Ladakh Himalaya. These are the Pangong, Sao and Sao Morori. You know very well Pangong lake, which is very you will say important for the strategical purpose between India and China, because India is also claiming over this lake, and as well as China also claiming over the lake. There are near about 8 you will say finger point, and India always claimed over the 4 finger point over the you will say Pangong lake. So this is very important lake of India, and India always claim it. And in this lake where you know very well the Three Idiot movie also formed. So this is the lake which is very famous after this movie. And nowadays this lake once again becoming famous due to the you will say strategical you will say problems between India and China. Now we will see some important pilgrimage center or the tourist center has been also found in this region, such as the Vaishno Devi, Amarnath Cave and Charare Sharif. You can see well in that you will say Jammu and Kashmir. This is very important you will say tourist place, and important you will say place in the you will say Jammu Kashmir. It is the Srinagar, which is the capital of Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir nowadays it is known as a union territories, because after the different type of the steps which has been taken in the constitution, means a constitutional provision where the amendment due to the amendment many of the things has been just removed, which was the kind of problems of India. So after the 370 you will say current and 35 article A, where this step has been taken to remove the status of Jammu Kashmir as the you will say special state. Now the Jammu Kashmir has become the union territories along with the Ladakh. Ladakh is the part, Ladakh is this part and Jammu Kashmir is this part. So students, hope you are taking it. Now very important things, Jhelum. Jhelum is the very important river, and Indus is also the very important river. Indus is the very main river, and Jhelum and second river which is very also important, Chenab, which are the tributaries of this region. And mainly this region has been drained by this river system, such as which is made by the Sindus river. Second is the river Jhelum river, and another river is the Chenab river. These are the tributaries of the Indus river, which make the very important rich basin of India in the western part. So these are very important place for the cultivation, and hope these places which are very favorable for the settlement of the people also, because the rivers are the main source of the life. So student, the very important things that Jhelum, which is the young river, but in the same time this river form the youth valley, means this river is in the youth condition, means that form the kind of V-shaped valley. Second is this river also form the meander. Meander are these shapes. When a river just take the you will say youngest or the adult age, when a river move from young stage to the adult stage, this adult stage the formation which are known as a meanders. Meander means these are these shapes. So we can see well. Now there is the Kareva formation features of the land which are formed due to the sedimentation which is carried by the river, and these Kareva formations which are very, you will say, popular, very famous for the useful cultivation of the jaffran. Jaffran is a type of saffron. It is a kind of crops which has been only grown in this region only, because it get the certain type of the climate, certain type of the ecosystem. Due to it only grown in this region because it is a favorable climate. Now you will say the longitudinal valley which you can see well in this region, and these are very important tourist places also. So these are the Dehradun, Jammu Doon, Pathankot Doon, and so many other dunes which are lies in this region. So you can see well that Jammu Kashmir is very famous, will say, place in India. It is the very important source of the, you will say, rivers. It is very important place for the religious purpose also. So basically we can see well that northwestern mountains are not only important for the geographical purpose, but also they are the rich heritage, they are the rich source of the cultivation, they are the rich sources of the, you will say, historical purpose also. They are very rich sources for the other crops also, as well as the northwestern part of the Himalayas, which protect us from the northwesterly cold winds which are coming from the North Pole, and we are safe because if the Himalayas wall are not available there, then we would living in the, you will say, cold desert. Hope student you enjoy this video lecture in the northern western Himalayas, means Kashmir Himalaya. If any kind of the doubt, you can also comment it, and I will just solve out your every problem. So thank you to listen me, thank you to watching me.